Hi guys, my name Diah Khotimah. I am number 34. I'm from F01 class. This is course TOEFL. TOEFL, TOEFL which I will explain is skill 16 and 17. Happy watching. So in this first material explain about skill 16. Skill 16 is idiomatic language about listening for 2 and 3 part verbs. 2 and 3 part verbs appear in some questions in the short dialogues. These verbs are expressions that include a verb and one or more particles, or such as in on or at. In the particle change the meaning of the verb. Questions involving 2 and 3 part verbs can be difficult for students because the addition of the particle changes the meaning of the verbs in an idiomatic way. That's about skill 16, idiomatic language. So, this is example from exercise skill 16. Alright, for the next slide is exercise from skill 16. I hope you listen very carefully.
TOEFL Exercise 16. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of 2 and 3 part verbs. Number 1.
The new neighbors have just moved in.
Maybe we should call on them.
According to the woman, what should they do? Number 2.
You know, I'm really enjoying this class now.
I am too. At first it was kind of boring, but now it's turning into something fascinating.
What does the man mean? Number 3.
I heard you had a bad headache this morning.
Yes, but I think I'm getting over it now.
What does the woman mean? Number 4.
I'd like to stop smoking, but it's really hard for me.
Well, at least you should try to cut down.
What does the woman mean? Number 5.
Why was the client unhappy?
The lawyer turned down his case.
What does the woman mean? Number 6.
I really like Marcia.
Me too. She is just so friendly with everyone.
What does the man say about Marcia? Number 7.
Are you going out or staying here tonight?
I can't go out. I have to look after the children.
What does the man mean? Number 8.
Did you see in the paper this morning that one section of the factory is closing down today?
Yes, and some of the workers will be laid off.
What does the man say about the workers? Number 9.
I heard that you're trying out for the football team. Won't that be difficult?
Yes, but I'm really going to try to pull it off.
What does the man mean? Number 10.
I locked the keys in the car again.
Oh, I don't know why I put up with you.
What does the woman mean?
Have you finished? So, for the next slide, the best answer from scale 16. Now, scale 17. Scale 17 is listen for idioms. So, idioms appear in some questions in the short dialogues. Idioms are special expressions in a language that all speakers of the language know. These special expressions describe one situation in life but are applied to many different areas of life. Idioms questions can be difficult for students because they seem to be describing one situation when they are really describing a different situation. This is example from skill 17. Alright, for the next slide is the exercise from skill 17. Listen very carefully, right?
TOEFL Exercise 17. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of idioms. Number 1.
I was 15 minutes late for class today.
Better late than never.
What does the woman mean? Number 2.
Do you want to work on the biology experiment together?
2 heads are better than 1.
What does the man mean? Number 3.
I really don't want to work on the report now.
There's no time like the present.
What does the woman mean? Number 4.
I just sold the last copy of that book this morning. You'll have to try again next week.
Just my luck.
What does the woman mean? Number 5.
I know you like this restaurant, but I just don't like the food here.
To each his own.
What does the woman mean? Number 6.
Would it be possible for you to drop these letters in the mailbox for me?
No sooner said than done.
What does the woman mean? Number 7.
Did you hear that Abby won the art scholarship?
You could have knocked me down with a feather.
What does the man mean? Number 8.
I have to read all 6 chapters this weekend.
We're all in the same boat.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
Anne's project for the science fair was incredible.
She's really head and shoulders above the rest.
What does the man say about Anne? Number 10.
I can't believe how many forms I have to fill out to apply for the scholarship.
Yes, and you should be sure to dot all the I's and cross all the T's.
What does the woman mean?
Next slide is the best answer from skill 17. Yay! The next slide is the final exercise from skill 16 and 17, so I hope you listen very carefully.
TOEFL exercise, skills 16 through 17. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. Number 1.
Do you do the cooking every night?
No, my roommate and I take turns.
What does the woman mean? Number 2.
Did you meet Hank's father at the game last night?
Yes, I did. You know, Hank's really a chip off the old block.
What does the woman say about Hank? Number 3.
Do you want to go to the football game with us tonight?
No, thanks. I think I'm coming down with something.
What does the woman mean? Number 4.
I can't believe what Hal said to the teacher.
Yeah, he really put his foot in his mouth.
What does the man say about Hal? Number 5.
I'm going to the market now.
Could you hold off going for a few minutes? I'd like to go with you.
What does the woman mean? Number 6.
I got a parking ticket, but I don't think I want to pay it.
You know, you're really playing with fire.
What does the woman mean? Number 7.
The noise from those machines is really bothering me.
Yeah, I wish we could just ask them to cut it out.
What does the woman mean? Number 8.
Did Fred tell you his theory about who took the money?
Yes, and I really think he's barking up the wrong tree.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
This course is too hard for me. I think I'll just drop it.
Even though it's hard, you should keep at it as long as you can.
What does the woman tell the man? Number 10.
How's the chemistry homework coming?
It's like trying to swim upstream.
What does the woman mean?
The best answer from exercise 16 and 17. Yay! Finally, my presentation is finished. I hope you enjoy my video. I want to say thank you.